my channel. My name is Oriana if you're new. If you're not, hey girl, hey. I'm gonna kick it off with another vlog today. Y'all gonna spend the day with me. We're gonna work out today, and then we have to order some groceries, y'all, because we don't have no healthy food up in here. We're gonna get chugging along. It's a little bit of a later start than I would prefer, but that's fine because hey, we got the freedom to get this done how we need to get it done. I'm actually going to have some Red Bull or something because I just need a little bit of a wake up, you know. Here's to y'all. Pop that in there. Let's go. Okay, so I just finished my workout. It's 60 minutes on my walking pad, which was like 1.6, almost 2 miles basically. I'm so proud of myself for getting my 60 minutes in my walk because I was not motivated. I was not motivated today. I was not. I'm not even gonna lie, I was not motivated. Over the course of the walk, I started to feel better. So I'm grateful for that. Alright, so this is our protein shake for after our walk. It is the Fairlife chocolate high protein shake. This has 30 grams of protein in it and only 150 calories. So this is technically breakfast. So yeah, I'm gonna have this protein shake and then we're gonna sit down and order us some lunch slash groceries. Cheers, 30 grams of protein. Okay, so right now I'm actually just figuring out what I'm gonna order for lunch. I don't know if I should order something like pre-made for lunch and then let my grocery delivery come, or yeah, I probably should. That way, whatever I order for lunch, I don't have to worry about like cooking it or, you know, having to like assemble something for my meal. Like it's gonna be ready. Then when my grocery order get here, that's groceries, you know. So it's just kind of hard when you're gonna order delivery food, like to order something that's actually healthy. Okay, so I finally got my groceries ordered and I was gonna order some lunch, but I can't order nothing healthy on DoorDash. Not that I can't, but there's really nothing healthy on DoorDash, so I'm just gonna wait for my groceries to get here. Now they won't be here till like 5 p.m. today, but that's better than eating something I ain't got no business eating, bro, like for real. Okay, so boom, got my groceries ordered. Then I called and made some phone calls that I needed to do, get some things in order. Now I need to honestly finish editing this vlog, post it. So let me write that down. Yes, groceries are ordered. That took forever. I don't really know why, but it took a minute. Groceries is ordered. I'm just gonna eat something. I don't know. I'll figure out food. I might just have another protein shake if I need to hold me until groceries get here. I'm not really hungry, but at the same time, I'm trying not to let myself get super hungry because that's when I just be like, you know what, if it like, I'm just gonna eat some noodles or something. We're not doing that, okay? Sorry, we're not gonna do that. Next thing is finishing this vlog, uploading this vlog, like, and we're gonna move along with the day. We're gonna do this laundry today. You know, we're just getting my life together. Okay, I'll check back in with y'all once I'm posting this vlog because it's not gonna be long. I don't even got much left to do. So let me do what I gotta do. Sitting around, right here is only for your eyes to see. These beans are so freaking good. Like, okay, you guys, so I have finished cleaning the kitchen and I got my laundry out the dryer. It was really the last thing I needed to do. I am gonna fold it tomorrow, so I'll add that to tomorrow's vlog. But right now I am gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna say thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't already, make sure you like this video, make sure you are subscribed, make sure you turn on them post notifications, because when I go live I do want to chat with y'all. That's gonna be it for this video. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.